Hello everyone, in this video we will see Python tuple. Okay, so tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuple is one of four built-in data types in Python used to store collection of data. The other three are list, set and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. If you want to memorize or if you want to you know if you forget what is changeable, unchangeable, ordered, unordered, so if you see we have u in tuple. Okay, so u is tuple is unchangeable. Okay, so this is a distinct thing you can apply in your brain. Tuples are written with round brackets. Take a tuple, this tuple, apple, banana, cherry. Okay, so let's see, print this tuple. Tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicate values. A list also ordered and duplicate value allows duplicate values, and list is changeable but tuple is unchangeable. So we have u, so u is unchangeable. You can remember in this way, right? Tuple items are indexed. The first item has index 0, second item has index 1, etc. Ordered. When we say that tuple are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Okay. Unchangeable, tuples are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change, add or remove items after the tuple has been created. Okay. Allow duplicate, since tuples are indexed, they can have items with the same value. Tuples allow duplicate values. Tuples apple, banana, cherry, apple, cherry, so it allows duplicate value, right? Tuple length, to determine how many items a tuple has, use the len function. Print the number of items in the tuple. Tuple len. Okay, create tuple with one item. To create a tuple with one item, you have to add a comma after the item, otherwise Python will not recognize it as a tuple. So one item tuple, remember the comma, we have to provide comma even though we are using creating with one item only. Okay, so not a tuple. Okay, this is not a tuple. Tuple items, data types. Okay, so let's see this type tuple, and this is not tuple anyway. Tuple items, data types. Tuple items can be of any data type: string, integer and boolean data types. Okay, tuple 1 apple, banana, cherry. Tuple 2. Okay, tuples items can be of any data type. কি হয়েছে বাবা? হ্যাঁ, কি কি গেছে গা, গেছে গা, হ্যাঁ? Okay, so tuple items, we see tuples data type can be any apple, banana, cherry. So all of them are, these are strings, these are integer numbers, and these are booleans, right? A tuple can contain different data types. A tuple with string, integer and booleans values. Tuple 1 abc 34 to 40 male. Type, from Python's perspective, tuples are defined as objects with the data type tuple. Plus tuple. Okay, what is the data type of what is the data type of a tuple? My tuple, let's say class tuple, right? And the tuple constructor, it is also possible to use the tuple constructor to make a tuple. Using the tuple method to make a tuple, this tuple apple, banana, cherry, print this tuple. So we can create tuple in this way as well. Python collections, arrays, list, tuple set. Okay, which one of these is a tuple? Okay, this tuple apple, banana, cherry, this tuple banana, cherry. So first one. Okay, next question. Use the correct syntax to print the number of items in the fruits. Use the correct syntax to print the number of items in the fruits tuple. So apple, banana, cherry, print. কি হয়েছে বাবা? হুম, কি গেছে বাবা? কি? number of items in the হ্যাঁ বাবা তুমি এত ডিস্টার্ব করলে কিভাবে হবে বাবা বাবা তো কাজ করি না এটা বারবার নাড়ে না তুমি চুপচাপ দেখো shit. Once a land or correction to print the number of land. Oops, correct answer. Tuple items can be removed after the tuple has been created. False. Oh, unchanged. Access tuple items. You can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside the square brackets. Print the second item in the tuple. This tuple equals apple, banana, cherry. Print this tuple 1. So banana will be printed. And the first item has index 0. Negative indexing means start from the end. Negative indexing means start from the end. -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second item, etc. Okay. Anyway, -1 means guys cherry. Okay, a range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. Okay, so when specifying a range, the return value will be a new tuple with the specified items. Okay, example, return the third, fourth, and fifth item. This tuple apple, banana, cherry, orange. Okay, so this tuple 0, 1, 2, cherry, 3, 4, 5. So cherry, orange, kiwi will be printed, right? This search will okay. Remember that the first item has index 0. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. Okay, so if you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so till orange will be printed. By leaving out the end value, we will range go to the end to the tuple. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so from cherry till mango will be printed. A range of negative indexes. Specify negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the tuple. This example returns the items from index -4 to index -1. Okay, so this tuple apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango is -4. Okay, -4, -1. So let's say -1. Okay, let's say what is this -4, -1. So -1, -1, -2, -3, -4. কি হয়েছে বাবা ধরে না এটা ধরলেই চলে যাবে আবার দেখিয়ে দেবো ভাবে নিয়ে দিচ্ছি এই যে দেখো এইভাবে দেখো ধরলে আবার চলে যাবে check if item exists. To determine if a specified item is present in a tuple, use in keyword. Okay, check if apple is present in the tuple. This tuple apple one. Okay, so if apple in this tuple, print yes, apple is in this tuple. You can access tuple items by referring to the index number, but what is the index number of the first item? You can access tuple items by referring to the index number, but what is the index number of the first item? কি হয়েছে বাবা? কি কি হয়েছে? আবার চলে গেছে? দাঁড়াও।